You were installing a new motorcycle battery, you got your positive and your negative mixed up, a bunch of sparks went flying, now your motorcycle is completely dead. Don't worry about it, it happens a lot. It's a really easy fix. Here's what to do. Most fuses are located underneath the seat. Usually get to that, you pop your key in somewhere. In this case, it's right here on the V-Strom 650. And you'll see a bunch of fuses under this box. The one we're looking for is the main fuse, which is this 30 amp fuse right here. Odds are you've blown that fuse. If you don't have a spare, don't worry. That bottom fuse right there, that's your spare. Or you should always keep some extras, like I do. That way you never have to use the fuse, just in case you ever break down on the side of the road. So all we do, get our little clippers in here, pliers I mean, grab it. Actually, I'll show you first. Turns the on position, nothing happens. If you check the voltage, you'll find this battery is pretty much full. It's around 12.5. It should be a little bit better, but at the very least, it's enough that we should be getting either lights, which we're not, or the dash coming on, which we're not. Put that back to the off position. So back to this fuse. Let's take a peek, and sure enough, look at that. Fuse is broken. Fuse is popped. That means it's done its job. It's, basically stopped the rest of the bike from catching fire. So let's get rid of that. We'll grab our spare fuse. And it's a little bit tricky to get in here. It's a little bit tight fit. And as soon as you put it in, you should start hearing noises. And look at that. Sure enough. Boom. Now I gotta hold the clutch in and try and record it with one hand. That's it. So if you ever get your wires crossed and you connect your positive to negative, don't worry about it. People do it all the time. It's a common mistake. Your motorcycle is designed to account for that. Your motorcycle is even designed to have a fuse as a spare, just in case you should do that on the side of the road. You will still be okay. You just need little fingers or pliers to get your main fuse out, pop a new main fuse back in of the same amps as what you took out. If you took a 30 out, don't put a 15 in there. If you take a 30 out, put a 30 in. So that's it. It's not a hard fix. A lot of people pay me money to fix this kind of issue for them, rescue them from the side of the road and stuff, and it's nice making money like that. I'd be happy just getting kind of your likes and subscribes if this helps you out. That's really all I need. Hit the like button if you appreciate that. Leave a thank you comment. I would really appreciate your support. As always, I'm Adrian from YouMotorcycle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit subscribe for more. Ride safe, but have fun. Peace.